Stop using the old versions of the EMA indicator. In this video, I'm going to showcase an advanced version of the EMA indicator that is probably over 3 times better than the traditional EMA. We're going to go over what this indicator is and the best settings to use when trading, and we're also going to combine it with one extra technical analysis tool to create an amazing, accurate strategy. So without wasting any time, let's start from the beginning. First of all, this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. To explain everything in detail, I'll quickly remove these indicators from the chart. By the way, I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 15-minute time frame to explain this strategy. To add this indicator to your chart, you will open Tradingview and then here click on the Indicators table. We will search for EMA difference histogram. After that, you want to select the one created by Gamlo. This is how it looks like when you add it to the chart. The EMA difference histogram is a stochastic indicator that combines the analysis of 2 exponential moving averages and the stochastic oscillator to provide clear signals for entering and exiting trades. So the difference between this indicator and regular 2 EMAs is that in this indicator, EMA1N and EMA2 is calculated and then plotted as a histogram. If you have a look now, these histogram bars represent the magnitude of the difference between the 2 EMAs. The color of the bars changes to indicate whether the difference is increasing or decreasing. So let's add 2 EMAs and see how this indicator actually works on our chart. So I will quickly add 2 EMAs from here. Now that I have added these EMAs to know the exact periods of these 2 EMAs, we're going to have to access the settings of the EMA difference indicator. You can access the settings from here. These are the lengths we're going to change. So EMA1 is 8 and EMA2 is 24. So now let's open the settings of the first EMA, and here we should have a length of 8. And then after this, I'll open the second EMA, and this should have a length of 24. You can also change the colors to make them a bit brighter. After that, click OK. Now let's compare. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. Here you can see whenever the slow EMA is under the fast EMA, the histogram is going to be colored green, and vice versa for when the fast EMA is under the slow EMA. As you can see here, whenever that happens, the histogram is going to be colored in red. We can also see that whenever the difference between these 2 EMAs is increasing, the histogram is also increasing. And as the difference between EMA decreases, the histogram is going to change color to light green to indicate the reduction of the difference of the difference. The opposite of this is true for a red histogram. A bright color indicates that the EMA difference is increasing, but for a light red color like here, it indicates that the EMA difference is decreasing. This actually gives us an idea of how this indicator can be used to trade. You basically want to take positions only in areas where the EMA difference is increasing, because as we can see, that represents an increasing trend, exactly like it happened here. So these are areas where you want to be taking only buy positions. Now, as soon as the EMA changes color to light green, that would be considered as a pullback. It could also indicate signs of a trend reversal to the downside, and taking positions in these areas would be risky. The opposite of this is true for sell trades. Now, using this indicator with the default settings isn't recommended because it produces lots of false signals. So let's change the settings of our main indicator. In the Inputs tab, we want to change EMA1 length to 50, the EMA2 length to 100. After this, open the Style tab. We want to change color, one's opacity to 0, as well as the opacity for color to reduce it to 0. After that, disable the 2 stochastic options, and these are going to be all the changes we will do for this indicator. Also, we're not going to be needing these 2 EMAs, so let's delete them. Now we can add the extra indicator that we need to use in conjunction with this one to craft our strategy. So we will open the Indicators tab again, and here you have to type purple cloud. After that, select this one created by Murat Might and add it to the chart. First of all, let's change some settings of this indicator. In the Inputs tab, you want to change the period to 21. After that, change the alpha value to 3 and change the buying and selling pressure threshold to 0.1. These are all the changes we will make for this indicator. This is a super powerful buy and sell indicator that prints weak as well as strong buy and sell signals. This signal indicates a super strong sell signal. On the other hand, this indicates a strong buy signal. And these are the ones we're going to be using for opening and closing our positions. Now that our trading chart is set, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So for a buy trade, you want a strong buy signal to be printed by the purple cloud indicator. A strong buy signal looks like this. And then for this signal to be valid, the histogram of the EMA difference indicator should be colored green to indicate that the bullish trend in the market is getting stronger. And that's it. These are the only two conditions that need to be fulfilled before we can open a buy trade. So we can open a buy trade here. You can set the stop loss at the recent swing low or just a few pips under the entry candle. The take profit should be set at 1.5 times the risk. I was amazed to see that how simple yet accurate the strategy is when I found it the first time. Now let's go through one more buy trade example. Here we can see we got a buy signal, and this signal is confirmed by our EMA indicator as it is green in color. So we can open a trade here, and let's see if it was profitable or not. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy trade using this strategy. Now let's go through the rules for opening a sell trade using this strategy. If you don't have time to watch indicators all day, just join our free Telegram group for daily trade signals. Link is in description. For a sell trade, we're going to do the exact opposite. First of all, we will wait for purple cloud indicator to give a strong sell signal, just like this one. Then we will just confirm this signal with the help of the histogram of the EMA difference indicator, and it should be red in color. And of course, we know that this indicates a bearish trend. So if these two conditions are fulfilled, we can open a sell position. The stop loss could be set just a few pips above the entry candle, and the take profit is going to be set at 1.5 times the risk. This is going to be it for this video. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more trading strategies. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.